Imagine two people are listening to music. What are the odds that they are listening to the exact same playlist? Probably pretty low. After all, everyone has very different tastes in music. Now, what are the odds that your body will need the exact same medical care and treatment as another person's body? Even lower. As we go through our lives, each of us will have very different needs for our own health care. Scientists and doctors are constantly researching ways to make medicine more personalized. One way they are doing this is by researching stem cells.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Alena Ifa and today we will learn more about stem cells technology. So, what is stem cells technology? Have you ever wondered what is actually meaning by the stem cells technology? Or have you ever wondered what is the use and the benefits of stem cells in our daily life? And where did the stem cells actually came from? So now let's us dig in through the topic of stem cells technology. Okay, first let us know what is the meaning of biotechnology and also the stem cells technology itself and how they correlate with each other. First, biotechnology is a widely used technology that is function in modifying living organisms or the products produced by the living organisms, and biotechnology actually gives good benefits towards humans to solve the various biological problems. Meanwhile, for stem cells technology, of course, we have stem cells, which means undifferentiated cells which do not have specific structure or functions. And for the stem cells technology, it is a technology where immature cells are grown in laboratory and then are divided to produce few different cell types, and these different cell types later will be treated with different types of chemicals in order to allow them to grow into a specific tissues. Stem cells also have all the potential to become like all other kind of cells in our body. For example, bone cells, skin cells, liver cells, nerve cells, blood cells, and also fat cells. Now, let us watch a video on the example of how stem cells function in our body.
For example, you completely replace the lining of your intestines every 4 days. Stem cells beneath the lining of your intestines replace these cells as they wear out. Scientists hope that stem cells could be used to create a very special kind of personalized medicine in which we could replace your own body parts with, well, your own body parts. Stem cell researchers are working hard to find ways in which to use stem cells to create new tissue to replace the parts of organs that are damaged by injury or disease. Using stem cells to replace damaged bodily tissue is called regenerative medicine. For example, scientists currently use stem cells to treat patients with blood diseases such as leukemia. Leukemia is a form of cancer that affects your bone marrow. Bone marrow is the spongy tissue inside your bones where your blood cells are created. In leukemia, some of the cells inside your bone marrow grow uncontrollably, crowding out the healthy stem cells that form your blood cells. Some leukemia patients can receive a stem cell transplant. These new stem cells will create the blood cells needed by the patient's body.
In stem cells, there are three types of them that can be used for medical treatment and research. First, adult or tissue-specific stem cells. Second, embryonic or pluripotent stem cells. And lastly, induced pluripotent stem cells. So, what is the function of all these types of stem cells? First, for tissue-specific stem cells, they can replace the existing cells in the organs as they worn out and die. Meanwhile, for pluripotent stem cells, they are created from leftover embryos and can be grown into any kind of tissues in body. And lastly, for induced pluripotent stem cells, this is where the regular skins, fats, liver, or other cells are transformed to behave like embryonic stem cells and can be grown into any kind of tissue in body, just like pluripotent stem cells. Next, here are the examples of stem cells used in medicines. They can be used for incurable neurodegenerative disease therapy, stem cells and tissue banking, fertility-based disease, hematopoietic transplant of stem cells, alternative of arthroplasty by stem cells, and many more. Moving on to the future goals and application of stem cells technology. The first one, stem cells can be used for manipulating the cells genetically by the gene therapy approaches. Second, the stem cells can be used for isolation of adult stem cells from patients with genetic disorder. And the last one, which is the third one, stem cells can also help in treating the genetic disorder or disease by reinsert the cells into the same patient. So these are the future goals and application of the stem cells technology.
Scientists and doctors hope to use all of these kinds of stem cells to create new tissue to heal your body. They can also use stem cells to help understand how the body works. Scientists can watch stem cells develop into tissue to understand the mechanisms that the body uses to create new tissue in a controlled and regulated way. Scientists hope that with more research, they can not only develop specialized medicine that is specific to your body, but also better understand how your body functions, both when it's healthy and when it's not.
So that's all for today for this video and also the learning of stem cells technology. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for spending me your precious time in watching and listening and also understanding the video. Hope you like it, and if you have any concern regarding the stem cells technology, please feel free to type or search a keyword stem cells technology in your search engine. And thank you once again. Hope you have a good day ahead. Bye.